Hey YouTube, hope everyone's having a great holiday weekend. We went Black Friday shopping a little bit early on Amazon and got a robotic vacuum that we are going to open and see how it works. Let's go ahead and get started. It is the Deebot EcoVac robotic vacuum. It works with Alexa for the Amazon Echo.
Box in this box. N79S. Now remember there was a difference between the N79 and N79S was that the S had some extra suction power, so I guess S stands for sucks.
Basically we got this because we do have a Boston Terrier and she does shed a little bit, so we're hoping that this will kind of pick up all that loose hair that we've had laying around and cut down on the need to vacuum with a manual vacuum. It is really in there.
Oh, look at that. There's another box. Oh, no, it's not. Okay.
Alright, so we've got this and you can see that it's kind of nicely in there. We've got our instruction guide. The robot vacuum itself. Looks like a remote control. Plug for the docking station.
There's the remote.
Robot vacuum. The docking station. Some batteries and a remote. And you can see there's a couple extra brushes in here as well as a tool for cleaning.
That's cool. There's like a blade in there and everything.
Probably to cut away all of your long hairs.
My long hair? Yeah. Let me tell you. Who cares?
Alright, so we're going to get this assembled and then we'll do a quick show you of how it works.
See you in a minute. Alright, so we put the thing together. It's actually really simple. Actually, these things just push right onto the bottom. Put the batteries in. There's a clock on the remote here. So we're about to try turning it on for the first time. I have no idea if there's any charge. So we'll kind of see what happens and see how Scarlett likes it. So first thing I gotta do is there's just like a rocker switch. So I'll turn that on. And then I guess I gotta hit auto on here. And then here.
Oh, there we go.
Alright. So I don't know where it's going. But
Oh my!
Scarlett is not a fan. Watch out, it's going to turn around and get you. She's jacked up his rug. Uh-oh. Well, it seems to understand when it's getting close to walls and the tables and stuff, it seems to stay away from them, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, that's definitely going to help that run really well.
Alright, so that's the robot vacuum unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and until next time.
See you later. Bye.